If you love mug cakes as much as I do, you will love these mug brownie recipes. I will be showing you 2 easy ways to make a mug brownie with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a microwave-safe cup, add all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and sifted cocoa powders. I love mixing unsweetened cocoa powder and Hershey's special dark cocoa powder together to get a really rich chocolate taste. Feel free to skip sifting the cocoa powders together, but it will definitely help break up the cocoa powders in the cup when mixing. Add salt, baking soda, water, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients together with a fork, scraping down the bottom and sides of the cup to get all the ingredients fully mixed together. The texture of this mug brownie will be thick and resemble homemade or boxed brownies. Microwave this mug brownie for about 50 seconds or until the top of the mug brownie is cooked. Feel free to add chocolate chips to this mug brownie, but it had a great brownie-like consistency that I didn't feel like it was necessary. In a microwave-safe cup, add boxed brownie mix, water, and vegetable oil. Mix these ingredients together until they are fully combined, making sure to scrape down the bottom and sides of the cup. The consistency of the mug brownie using boxed brownie mix will not be as thick as the mug brownie from scratch, but this recipe is much easier to make and still tastes really good. I definitely suggest using a high-quality boxed brownie mix since the brownie mix is what gives the mug brownie the flavor. Microwave this mug brownie for about 1 minute and 20 seconds or until the top of the brownie is cooked. I love adding whipped cream or ice cream to this mug brownie, but it is still really good as is. Out of the 2 mug brownie recipes, the mug brownie recipe from scratch was definitely my favorite since it had a more brownie-like consistency. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.